Good afternoon, everyone. This is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher coming back at you, and Adrian's with me, and I have a little Salem here. I have a $40 section here, so I have Cash Explosion, my 100 Monarch, Deuce Wild, 777 Money, and Space Invaders. Let's do the small ones first. This is number 21. And you match your number with winning number. If you get the star, you get double. I'm not trying to use this what Fancy Nancy got me. She got me one of these little things. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me do it this way. 27, 11, 37, 15 is 3. What's wrong, Adrian? Oh. Well, maybe I need to do it this way. 34, 40, 1, 25, 31. Okay, I'm going to use that other one she gave me. 6. 10, 18, 36, 23. See, what I don't have on here, I don't have no 40s on here. Okay, 30, 14, 4, 39, and 38. 17, 19, 28, 33, and 21. Nothing on that one. Okay, I got money here. Money. Got number 35. You match 2 match here. You win that. You match your number, win a number with that number, and then you see if you got the multiplier. 25 and 5, 15 and 10. Oh, no winner. 23. 49, 14, 16, and 8. So where I should start at front?
Bottom.
Bottom. Okay. 25. Is it? Can you see it? Okay. 18. No. 12, 53, 37, 19, 27, 57, 6. 31. Oh, I got a 33.
A 33?
I'm at 23, guys. Well, we know there's a 0 there. Of course, there's going to be a 0 there. 38, 22. I don't have no 30s. 44, 17, 30. And 15. Okay, let's see what we got on my 23. We got 5. And I got a cherry, so I got $10 here. Awesome. We'll do swell. If I can close this one too. You match your number will win a number. You get a 2 heart, you win double. We got a 46 here. Let's look for that 2 heart. 2 heart. I got 21. It's not a 2 heart. 32, 13, 16, 36. I don't know why I'm calling them out, but maybe because I remember them. 15, 41, 39, 6, 20, 43, 48. Man, it rained so much yesterday. Last night, I should say. It was bad storms everywhere. Okay, no 2 hearts. So let's see what we got. 38. No. 35. I got a 32, a 36, and a 39. I don't have 50? Oh, no, I don't have 50. 49, or 40, 49, 46, 48, no. 23, Miss Amanda's number. Nope, nothing on that one. This is number 36. You match 3, you win that. If you get 3 red, you win double. And if you get 3 sevens, you win triple. I don't think I've ever seen anybody win 3 sevens. Not red, anyway. Hoping everybody's having a good day. Mine's a little slow right now, but it'll pick up. I got things to do around the house. Oh, I got 3 there. Got a match. Got a match. Hope everybody's doing well too. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got $5. Alright. Yeah, that's the winner one. Alright. We're on our $10 one now. Number 48. You match your number with number, you get a 10x or a 20x or a 100x. Good things will happen. 30, 52, 22, 56, 21, and 48. Boy, they're all high. I don't have no teens or no zeros. 53, 27, 54, 33, 24. I'll clean this up a little bit. 49, I got a 48. No 60, no teens. 35, nope. No teens. No little ones. Fancy Nancy's number there. 39, 6. I don't have nothing low or nothing teen. Oh, nothing on that one. Doesn't shock me. That ticket doesn't like me really. Number 30. You match your number with the winning number. If you get a bag, you win that symbol instant. If you get 20, you win 20 times. And this is Catch Explosion. Fancy Nancy's number there. 10, 8, 12, 24, 31, and 23. Miss Amanda's number. How funny. 9, 10, 8, 12, 24, 31, and 23. I have no... Okay, I do have 30s on there. $16, 28, 7, 39, 40, 34, 32, 38, 21, 11, that's gamblers, 6, 22, 30, 18, 3, 25, got a 24, 19, 2, got an 8. Just seen her crying about. Okay, nothing on that one. But I did get, what was it? 10 and 5. I got 15 back, so that's not bad. At least I got something back. Well, y'all guys have a good evening. And oh, my thing broke. Okay. Y'all have a good evening and stay safe. And hit like button and hit the subscribe and hit my bell. Oh, that's loud. That was loud. And let's see. We're almost there to 1K, guys. Almost. Anyway, peace out. Ow, ow, ow.